greatly supportive of national treasures such as Julian Assange, Edward Snowden, Peyton Manning.
Right.
And we really support their efforts to really get the truth out there. And in the case of the current client that we have right now, that client is very interested in releasing the Roswell papers. I don't know it.
Really? So you're pretty supportive of Peyton Manning, are you?
Extremely, yeah.
Yeah, you're not going to, I mean, obviously, this is performance art. I will say you're pretty good at it. When you convince papers like the Washington Times, which ran this pretty straight, to run your lies, to run this hoax, which I will concede is kind of amusing, what was the point of that? I mean, beyond just amusing yourself. Are you trying to make a political statement?
I don't know. I mean, it's pretty darn easy these days to just say whatever the heck you want on national TV and have it pass off as truth. And, you know, it's pretty, I don't know, just pretty incredible to me how easy it was to get the coverage we got. By the way, I'm not saying any of this is a hoax or any of this isn't true. We've actually got 100,000 protesters going to Washington, D.C. to fight anybody who is opposed to Donald Trump. I mean, the reason we shifted, another main reason we shifted from being against Trump to Trump about 30 minutes ago was basically we realized initially he didn't really like Julian Assange or Peyton Manning, and when he kind of changed, when the election and the Assange connection was made, he essentially became a supporter of Assange, and so we are now supporting Trump in the hope that the Roswell documents from 1947 are finally released and put back into the hands of Fisher Stevens.
The critical Roswell documents. All right, well, give my best to Peyton Manning and also to Mrs. Talipo, if you would. Thanks a lot for joining us, Dom. Whoever you are. I can't believe. Where's last question? I'm sorry. Did you think that we were going to fall for, I mean, be honest. Did you think you were going to come on and we were going to
I'm just surprised you put me on. That's what's surprising.
Well, because it showed up all over across American media, and I'm reading this. I was saying, well, that's not true. Who is this guy? And so I'm glad you came on to semi-explain.
Well, God bless you for fact-checking, even if you did it when we were on the air.
Oh, no, we knew ahead of time. But good to see you anyway. Thanks a lot.
Okay.